Hi Yuri, congratulations.
Hello, sir. So thank you so much.
Finally अहमदाबाद नहीं हुआ था. I was little disappointed because I was gunning for you कि यार इसका तो अहमदाबाद होगा ही होगा.
Sir, that interview was absolutely horrible. So I came out like I kind of like didn't think about it at all after that.
You
So
are a
I,
dentist, isn't it?
yeah, dentist, yes, sir.
And 97 point something percentile if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong.
97.12 something like that.
97.12.
Yes, sir.
But yaar, how does it feel now converting Calcutta?
No, Calcutta, sir, Shillong, sir.
Shillong, yeah. How does it feel converting Shillong?
Sir, amazing, really. And that when the result came, that site wasn't loading. Tension was just building in my head, and finally I later downloaded. Really happy. Did not
And
expect,
you
yeah.
intend to do finance, no?
Most likely, sir. I'm
अच्छा.
not made up my mind like fully,
हाँ
but
हाँ.
most likely it'll be finance.
Cool है. तू एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि तेरा शिलोंग हो जाएगा करके. Like how was the interview?
So when I interview was really nice. Like the
Okay.
interview, that was one of my best interviews. But
Oh.
like actually, if you go to see when I started my CAT prep,
Hmm.
I'm from Goa. My only aim I started was GIM hoega, so very good. So
Oh. Oh.
so I had no clue I would even like be anywhere close to here.
My goodness. So now,
Yeah.
I mean, I'm okay. I'm a little shocked now because you were gunning for GM to be,
I was
the.
only, I had no clue, sir, what score is, what percentile, nothing. I just prepared little for the exam. And I went and I said, exam, it went average. Maybe I'll get 88, 90 something. I had no clue or anything. So yeah, very happy.
Man, you're getting into one of the best institution in the country, and I'm very sure you're very
Yeah, yeah.
hardworking. I know I've taken your mock PIs, so
Yes,
you're a
sir.
smart kid, man. I hope Sudusi was helpful, yeah, during your journey,
Yeah,
man.
definitely, sir, definitely.
All the best.
Definitely.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
catch up with you all very soon.
yeah, thank you so much,
Any
sir, for the
advice
call,
you
sir.
wanna give to the Cat 23 kids? I'm recording this. I'll probably put it on the YouTube.
Advice would just be, honestly, it would just be consistency. Like, I was
Hmm.
working and all that. I didn't really study much. I would say 2 hours a day, 2, 3 hours. But
Hmm.
it was every day. If you're
Oh.
consistent, like, that's all you need. It's not that hard to crack the exam.
And how many years of work you have, Yuri?
I'm just 1 year, sir. Internship and then 1 year.
Oh, wow. Wow. And you're a dentist. I mean, that's a special
Yes,
category,
sir.
by the way.
Yeah, that's why I got 97, no?
Awesome. Awesome. A new
Yeah.
life begins यार. Now तो एक अलग level है.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool है. I'll speak to you very soon. Congratulations and take care.
Yeah.
Have fun.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Bye bye.